Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys a absolutely gorgeous 1973 Cherokee. This is coming to us all the way from California. This was restored 7,000 miles ago. At the time of the restoration, all new suspension, complete undercarriage pretty much was done. Driveline was completely gone through, rebuilt. V8 engine, all ignition system was done. Very, very nice driver quality restoration. We are shooting this in 4K, so if you have the ability to watch it in 4K, please do so. Very, very good looking truck here. Truck drives out great as well. Goes good down the road. We'll show you that here in a moment when we do our drivability video. Paint job was not a comparable paint job that we do. One of our, upwards of $15,000 to $17,000 paint jobs. However, very nice paint job for what it is. It is a driver quality truck. We do have high standards here though. Tires are new at the time of restoration, wheels as well. Just shy of 7,000 miles on the build. So in addition to the engine rebuild, the diffs were done as well. Transfer case was also rebuilt, new drive shafts. Rear window does work, no issues whatsoever. Inside is a mid-tier to, sort of quick restoration, if you will. They did the basics, obviously. They did wrap around the paint, which is nice, inside the door jambs and everything. The carpet install is decent at best. This is us judging it, of course. All new gauges. They do function. New seats, front and rear. Nice sound system, speakers, front and rear as well. They did do a full dyno liner throughout the floor, and then dyno mat on the inside of the firewall, which is nice. New windshield was installed. It's a Sony sound system. Just nice and clean and basic. Champion all aluminum radiator, rebuilt V8. Alright guys, here we go in the drivability portion of our video. I do want to point out that the passenger side header, we are replacing the gasket. It does have a slight leak, so you may hear that. But I'm driving this with one hand on the wheel. Track's very good. Right at 53 miles an hour. Drives very smooth for what it is. Vibration noise that you're hearing is coming from this center console. It is a lot of metal on metal. Brakes are very smooth. Steering is very, very responsive. Power steering works as it should. That is the center right at 180 degrees temperature wise. Most of these older Jeeps that are lifted with these size tires, they drive awful. This thing honestly drives very, very well. It takes bumps very well. It tracks very well. This is something that you can easily drive on the highway. Plenty of power. Once again, that is this center console right here. Bolts just need to get tightened up on it. See that? We will make sure that that is squared away. But that's what that noise is from. Truck drives so good, I'm holding this with one hand, I'm driving with the knee. That's how well this Jeep drives. You can actually do that. And this road that we're on has a ton of deep crowns in it for a lot of logging trucks that travel on it. If you guys have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.